All right. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Donna.
I'm Wolfgang.
I'm Nohamin.
I'm Nate.
And I'm Dom.
Today, we're excited to present to you our herbal medicine website application, Apothecary's Garden. Herbal medicine has been used for centuries to treat various illnesses and ailments. And despite its proven effectiveness and lack of side effects, the use of herbal medicine has decreased with the rise of modern medicine due to a lack of information on the various herbs and their uses. This is where our website comes in. Our team worked together using agile methodology to build a single page application to provide users with a platform to learn about medicinal herbs that treat various ailments. The website has an extensive database of herbs and their uses, making it easy for users to find the right herb for their needs. And now I'll hand it over to my teammate, Wolfgang, who will
Thank you.
talk more about the website.
Thank you, Donna. Before we dive into our website, I just want to draw your attention to our disclaimer. Please note that any advice, information provided is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. The information provided is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Now that you're familiar with our disclaimer, let's talk about our navigation system. Our nav bar is easy to use, works well on both desktop and mobile devices. On desktop, there's a horizontal bar at the top of the page. On mobile, it turns into a 3-line hamburger menu icon that visitors can tap to see the navigation items. This design makes it simple for visitors to find what they're looking for on our site, no matter what device they're using. Moving on from the navigation system, let's take a look at our Herb Spotlight feature. Our Herb Spotlight showcases a range of herbs and uses our own built-out REST API. Each time the page is refreshed, a new herb is displayed with an image and fact. Visitors can click on the image to learn more about the herb on our website. Next up, we have Herbology Corner, where we offer information on herb storage techniques, essential tools for beginner herbalists. Our page is built using front-end React, HTML, and CSS. We also have a search ailment and a search herbs page, which will be demonstrated by Nuhamin.
Thanks, Wolf. By utilizing Axios within our front-end JavaScript, we call our herb and ailment databases to provide the user with a searchable resource for finding the herb they need. The ailment search page functions as a resource for the individual seeking information on various ailments and the corresponding herb medicine option. Upon visiting the page, the user are presented with a list of ailments that they can select each later to learn more about. Once an ailment is selected, the page displays the herb medicine option that have been known to resolve the ailment. Alternatively, if the user already knows of a herb that they want to look up, they can navigate to the search herb page. This page is an alphabetically organized herb search page where a user can click on a specific letter and it will display all the herbs that start with the letter. Once a user clicks on a herb, they will be directed to the individual herb page with more detailed information about the herb. This page serves as a useful resource for the individual who are interested in learning more about herbs and their uses. If you want to save the herb you found to favorite, you can select the bookmark icon. To do so, first you will have to log in. Nate will continue expand on how it works.
Thank you, Nuhamin. With the login system, a user can create their own database of saved herbs, which they can reference every time they return to the site. This is accomplished with the use of Axios and our front-end React JavaScript to collect information provided by the user and call on our REST API's post-user methods, which allow us to dynamically add new users and create personal repositories where they can add and remove herbs from our database for quick reference. By navigating to login, a new user can select the sign up button and create a username and password. When you do this, the site automatically creates a new favorites repository for you to utilize and build out your own herb garden in My Apothecary. Returning users can sign back in with a previously established username and password. Don't worry, this isn't my real password. And once logged in, you'll be forwarded to My Apothecary page, Here, you can view all the herbs you have previously saved to your favorites, and by selecting them, it will take you to that herb's informational page. Now onto our project board, where Dom will continue more with our development style and technologies used.
Thanks, Nate. Our team worked together in a collaborative effort to complete this project. We used a project board to manage the project with tasks and held sprint meetings to discuss progress and plan future work every day. Scrum was an important part of our process, as well as the utilization of Slack communication. We utilized Git to create branches to not impede on each other's work, and advised when we needed our updates pushed to the main branch. This approach ensured that our team stayed on track and met the project deadlines we had set for ourselves. The different technologies we used were our front-end React JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and created our own back-end JavaSpring REST APIs, as discussed before. These tools enabled us to create a fully functioning website, and I'm going to pass it over to Donna.
Thank you, Dom. You can find more information about each of us by clicking on Contact. Our website is a valuable resource for anyone looking to use herbal medicine to treat their ailments. In the future, we plan to expand the API to include more herbs and ailments and add history, specific recipes, and preparation instructions for each herb. You can discover information on the proper herbal treatment for your ailments by visiting Apothecary's Garden. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and now I'll open up the floor for questions or comments.